Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, I want to answer a question that I got in my comments. So somebody said, can you please help me figure out which card is best for me? Capital One keeps emailing me about a credit card with them, but I don't know which one is good for me. I need one where I'll be able to buy groceries when I need them at Walmart and to get gas, oil changes, and I guess, and tires for my car. So this is a loaded question, and I only say loaded because I I have been like on extreme couponing, so I've been going crazy with couponing. So I'm going to show you like everyday purchases, which credit cards you should have to get the great rewards and also to get the great cash back. So you're definitely going to be able to get cash back on your gas and at Walmart and supermarkets in general. And there's so many other things. So let me just break it down, how to get rewards and cash back on your credit cards and your everyday purchases. So let me teach you guys like kind of what I do. Not everything. I'm going to show you like the easier credit cards that I do have that you guys can incorporate and get also. Like these are the easier ones you guys can get. I don't want to talk about a credit card. It's going to be so hard to get. And it's like, why you even talk about that one? So let's talk about some of these credit cards. So if you guys go to my website, Rickita.com, then you guys will see like the best credit cards for rewards and also the best credit cards for cash back. Definitely go through there and find some great credit cards for cash back. That's what you want and what you use it for. Some of those credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry too. So that's really good. Now, the first one I want to talk to you about, because you did mention a Capital One. The first one I want to talk to that subscriber about was the Capital One Walmart Rewards. So this may be a great one because you'll earn 5% cash back at Walmart, and that will include pickup and delivery because I always pick up groceries at Walmart. I love Walmart pickup. And also with your delivery too. Plus, you don't have an annual fee, so that's good. Now, Capital One, if they keep emailing you, try to see if they can pre-qualify you for this one because it can be great. And also, too, in Walmart store, you'll earn 2% back in Walmart stores at their restaurants and on travel, so that's really good. Also 1% back everywhere else. Now, they have an introductory offer, so earn 5% back in Walmart stores for the first 12 months after approval when you use your Capital One Walmart Rewards card with Walmart Pay. So that is good. Definitely make sure you take advantage of that, okay? And then your rewards, you can redeem them for cash. You don't have an annual fee on it. So if Capital One keep emailing you, try to jump on this one because you can use this one at Walmart. I love Walmart. I do a lot of couponing and get stuff all the time for free at Walmart. So I love it. The point that you can get stuff for free and get 5% back, I would love that. You will really get a lot of money back for free. But definitely check them out. Another one I do like is Walgreens because I get a lot of stuff for free at Walgreens. I just recently picked up some detergent. I think total I got like 16 Tide detergents for $5 doing my extreme couponing methods. So I love my Walmart credit card. I actually have the MasterCard so I can use it anywhere. I definitely suggest this one. You can pre-qualify for this without a hard inquiry. They probably do need to do a verification on you, but that should be simple. Just wait to get that letter in the mail. Then you call the number and then they'll tell you got to log onto the site and do like verification. Just do your verification. Do what you got to do. Open your account and then you're going to get $50 back in cash rewards when you first get your Walgreens account. And check out some of these I learned about couponing on YouTube. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to show y'all some of my tricks, but I'd rather just keep them to myself and let y'all watch the other people, just in case. I don't know what's, I just think it'd be another job for me to do that. But learn about that. You start off with $50. That $50, you can have that forever and be making so much money. Because some of the stuff we get money back. I pay $5. Some of them you make money by doing it. So definitely watch those videos. But I like the Walgreens, and I'm not going to buy just tissue. All the little personal items you ever have to buy, you could do a Walgreens pickup on that too and get money back. So definitely learn that and get that Walgreens credit card. At least you never have to pay for like tissue, toothpaste, all those basic things, air freshener, detergents, dishwashing liquid, none of that stuff. No, you have to pay for that no more. Learn how to get that stuff for free. Use your Walgreens credit card and you're gonna be lit. another thing too, the Discover cashback card. You get a limited cashback match after your first year. So say if you was to get $150 back in your first year of cash back, they're going to match that. So that is really nice. Oh wait, and they got even a statement credit. So you'll earn $100 statement credit. It's a limited time offer. Y'all gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to come back and tell everybody about that. A statement credit when you spend $500 in your first 3 months of opening your account. Definitely look into this one. I love that. They're gonna match you, plus you're gonna get $100 statement credit. That is really, really good. So definitely look into this one. Now, this one with the cash back, you said grocery stores. You gotta really go to the grocery store for this one. But you're gonna get 5% back up to $1,500 spent at the grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and it rotates every quarter. So right now we just got into the gas stations and then the digital wallets. So you're going to get that 5% back at the gas stations right now. So that's why I really like this one, because you said something about gas. So the 5% back at the gas stations, plus anything you use your digital wallet with, you're going to get the 5% back. So that's almost everything. And no annual fee at all. So I love my Discover. And you have the 0% intro APR for 15 months on your purchases and balance transfers. Do not sleep on this one, Discover, for real. And they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. But understand that y'all are going to pull a TransUnion. Now, since we talk about digital wallets, my Apple Card, I love it. I just love it, y'all. I love my Apple Card. I use my Apple Card for anything that I'm not going to get like my maximum cash back on like my other credit cards, because you're going to have certain ones you want to use because you're going to get, maybe I'm going to get more cash back. I use my Apple Card for it basically, because Apple Pay, if you use your Apple Pay, you're going to get that 2% daily cash back when you use your iPhone and your Apple Watch to use the Apple Pay. So I definitely like that. And then, like, say if I have some stuff like some subscriptions and stuff set up, I'll let them come out of my Apple, especially if it's tied to my Play Store, because I get additional cash back. So I like this one. Definitely look into getting this one. You can pre-qualify for this one without a hard inquiry. I like it. So definitely check this one out. Now, last but not least, there's so many other credit cards on that list. Definitely check it out. I want to talk to you guys about the Blue Cash Everyday card from American Express. No annual fee. And I think that one's just going to be for the first year. But no annual fee, you guys. And then on top of that, you have 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfer, which is really good. Plus you guys are going to earn $200 $200 back. I can't even talk, you guys. $200 back when you spend $2,000 within your first 6 months opening your card, which is good. And look, you get 3% back at supermarkets. So that's good. So say if you was to go like to Target instead of Walmart this time, you're going to get that up to $6,000 per year. So that is really good. So definitely look into these credit cards. You can pre-qualify for this one also without a hard inquiry. American Express, you can. Let me know if you like these credit cards. I think these would be great ones for you. I just seen your comment and just thought, let me go ahead and answer this. So like Carla. So I've seen your thing. I was like, let me go ahead and answer that. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Drop your comments down below. I'll start making videos answering all of your questions, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.